Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to read the chapter Way to Multiply and Divide. In this part, we will read about the work and price. It is the question number 9. The table shows the amount fixed by 4 states. This is the name of state. First is Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Orissa. And the salary of one day is in Haryana 135 rupees, Rajasthan 73 rupees, Madhya Pradesh 97 rupees and in Orissa 75 rupees per day. Now let us come to the question. For farm work, which state has fixed the highest amount? तो हाईएस्ट अमाउंट देखिए किस स्टेट की है. हाईएस्ट अमाउंट हरियाणा स्टेट की है 135. ये हरियाणा स्टेट की सैलरी है. विच स्टेट हैज़ फिक्स्ड द लोवेस्ट? तो लोवेस्ट किसकी है? लोवेस्ट इज द राजस्थान 73 रुपीज़. तो ये 73 रुपीज़ राजस्थान की है. इट इज़ क्लियर. नाउ कम टू द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. भैरव सिंह इज अ वर्कर इन राजस्थान. इफ ही वर्क फॉर 8 वीक ऑन द फार्म, हाउ मच विल ही अर्न? तो भैरव सिंह राजस्थान का है एंड राजस्थान में कितनी सैलरी है? 73 रुपीज़. 73 रुपीज़ एक दिन की सैलरी है और वह 8 वीक अगर वो काम करता है तो 8 वीक का मतलब है कि 8 वीक में कितने दिन होते हैं? 1 वीक में 7 डेज. तो 8 वीक में 7 8 जा 56 डेज. नंबर ऑफ डेज हो गया. और 1 डे की सैलरी कितनी है? 73 रुपीज़. तो 56 डेज की कितनी होगी? नाउ यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 56. देन 6 3 जा 18, 6 7 जा 42, 143, 5 3 जा 15 and 5 7 जा 35 and 1 36. It will come 8804. It means 4088 and it is the answer. Is it clear? Now come to next question. Neelam is a worker in Haryana. If she work for 2 whole 1/2 month, 2 whole 1/2 month on a farm, how much will she earn? तो 1 month equals to 30 डेज. तो 2 मंथ में 30 इंटू 2 इक्वल्स टू 60 एंड हाफ मंथ में 30 इंटू 1/2. इट विल कम 25. इट मीन्स 15 डेज. नाउ total days she work is 75 days. Now Haryana fixed the salary for 1 day 135. Then 135 into 75. 5 5 ja 25, 5 3 ja 15 to 17, 5 1 ja 5 1 6, 7 5 ja 35, 7 3 ja 21 and 3 24 and 7 1 ja 7, 7 and 2 9. It will come 5 12 0 1 and 9 10. It means 10,125 rupees she will get. Here is the answer. Now come to the question number D. How much more will a farmer work in Madhya Pradesh get then a worker in Orissa after 9 weeks. Then you can solve it as like this. Here is MP and here is Orissa. Salary for 1 day, MP is 97 and Orissa is 75. MP is 97 rupees per week per day, and in Orissa 75 rupees. Now they work for 9 weeks. Total number of days in 9 weeks. Total number of days in 9 weeks equals to 9 into 7. It will come 63 days. Then multiply these 63 with this and with this. 3 5 ja 15, 3 7 ja 21, 1 22, 6 5 ja 30, 6 7 ja 42, and it will come 45. 5 2 7 4. It is the salary of Orissa farm worker for the 9 weeks, and this will 3 7 ja 21, 3 9 ja 27, and 2 29, 6 7 ja 42, and 6 9 ja 54, and 4 58. It will come this 1 1 1 and ye 6. What will come? Difference in salary. Then you can 6 1 1 1 minus 4 7 2 5. This will come 6 8 3 1. This is the answer. You can follow this rule or this rule to get the answer. Now come to the another question. Sukhi work on a farm. He paid 98 for 1 day. If he work for 52 days, how much will he earn? Then simply you have to multiply 98 into 52. It will come 2 8 ja 16, 2 9 ja 18, 1 19, 5 8 ja 20, and 5 9 ja 45, and 4 50. It will come 49. Then add this 6905. It is the salary of 52 days in 52 days for the Sukhi. And come to in this way we have reached the another section. It will be taught in another video. Read and write it in your copy. Thank you.